Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, hi, I'm Katie. Nice to meet you. Today I am back with another Nadine West unboxing. For those of you that don't know how Nadine West works, basically it costs $10 a month in shipping, and that $10 a month is credited back towards your account. I will have a link down below though where you can get free shipping and $10 towards your account. It doesn't sound like a lot, but the prices in Nadine West are really good, so that $10 actually really helps out. If you guys would like to know my style preferences, I will have a few videos linked down below where I go through my style preferences. Without further ado, let's unbox. Okay, so I have one pouch, two pouch, looks interesting, three pouch, and my mailback back tag, which I just stick on the front of this and mail it back in the same package that it came in. Mail back whatever I don't want. So both of these have green in them, which really sparks my interest right now. This one has a little bit of green too, but I think I'm going to open this one first. It's more mustardy. Okay, so this first pouch is just a pair of pants and a shirt, so I'm just going to go ahead and try them on together. This is not me saying they should be worn together, but because they came together, I'm going to try them on together. Okay, so this top is the Lisbeth top for $16.99. I actually like this shirt, but I do think it's kind of fall-y. Like, I feel like we're going into spring, and I wish they would have sent me this, like, last fall. But I think that I'll probably keep this shirt. These pants, on the other hand, are the cherry bottoms for $15.99. They are going back 100%. I do not like these at all. I feel so ugly. They're going back 100%. Okay, on to the next pouch. Okay, since we have the jewelry here, I'm going to go ahead and open it. First we have the Michelle bracelet for $16.99. I will be sending this back. It just looks cheesy to me. Next we have the Joy Tree of Life earring for $7.99. I think these are from a boutique. Nadine West does send out boutique clothing, I've noticed, just from like looking up companies on Instagram and stuff. I think that's not a bad deal for these earrings. I just don't really care for them, so I'm going to be sending them back. And last we have the Neve earring for $16.99. This is my favorite out of the jewelry. They just remind me of Great Gatsby. I would never wear them, but that's what they remind me of, and I like that. I will be sending them back, but they're my favorite out of the jewelry. And back to the clothes, we have a dress and a romper. Okay guys, this is the Elisa dress for $17.99. I actually really like this dress. I feel like y'all have heard me say this a lot lately, but I wish I had a pair of over-the-knee boots. This is so cute. It's like long sleeve. You can button it up to be more turtleneck, but it's still a dress and it's still very feminine and it's still very pretty. It's a nice color, and I just think with some boots, I'm definitely gonna be keeping this dress. I like it a lot. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Onto the romper. Okay guys, this is the Sea Breeze romper for $19.49. I do think this romper is cute. It's just not practical for me. I've told you guys a million times, this off the shoulder, like, it just doesn't go well with me. I get so irritated with it, and I don't know, I'm just not the biggest fan. I think that for $20 I could find a much better romper, and I think that I will be sending this one back. And on to the last pouch. Okay, so in this last pouch we have pants and three shirts, so I'm just going to try them all on together. Okay guys, this first top is the Zeba top for $20.99. I am not a fan. I'm not even sure that I have this on right. I feel like it looks awkward on me, but this is how the model looks like she's wearing it. So, I don't know. This top is $20.99. I'm going to be sending it back. I'm not comfortable in it. I feel like I look like a bat. Yeah, I'm going to be sending this top back. Next, I have these Macy skinny bottoms for $33.99. I actually really like these. They look like work pants. I just wish they weren't skinny leg because I have to wear slip resistant shoes, and I just don't like the way skinny leg pants with slip resistant shoes looks on me. On some people it looks fine, but on me I just feel like it looks weird. I don't like it. So for $30 I'm going to be sending these pants back. I just don't think it's a reasonable price for the wear that I will get out of them. Okay, this is the Alina top for $11.99. When I saw this top, I was really excited. I really liked the pattern and the color. I thought I was really going to like it. It's the fit. The fit, I feel like it just doesn't look right on my body type, and I'm going to be sending it back. I think $11.99 is a great price for a shirt like this. On me, it just doesn't look right. I feel like you need to have a bigger, you need to be curvier to wear a shirt like this. Okay guys, and this last top is the Alyssa top for $25.99. I will definitely be keeping this top just because I think it's a good work top. And I am always on the look for good work tops. Always, always, always good work tops, good work pants. I'm always looking for that. Obviously, I'll need to wear a tank top because it's super low cut on me, but this is a really good work shirt, and I'll be keeping it. Okay guys, so that is it for this Nadine West video. I didn't end up keeping that much, honestly, but I'm still pretty happy with the stuff they sent me. I feel like it was just weird fits. Like, I liked the patterns, I liked the colors, I like what they were trying to do. It just wasn't quite there yet. So yeah, I'm keeping just a little bit, but I'm happy with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up because it really helps support my channel. If you would like to keep seeing me, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.